Hi, I'm Jessica Williams, and if you've been wondering what's really happening on the north side of Indianapolis, such as Carmel, Westfield, Fishers, Noblesville, or even areas like Meridian Hills and Williams Creek, this is why I want to give you a more complete picture. Not just what happened, but what it actually means for you. Because here's the truth, these markets aren't moving the same way as the headlines. When we look across all of these areas collectively, what stands out first is inventory. We're sitting anywhere from under 1 month to just over 1.7 months of inventory, depending on the specific pocket. That's not just low, that's strategically tight. And that tells me buyers are still there, but they're being more selective on what they move on. Across the board, homes that are positioned well are still moving quickly, and we're seeing 4 to 13 days on market in some of the strongest areas like Carmel and Meridian Hills, around 11 days in Fishers and Noblesville, and closer to 20 days for Westfield. That kind of speed doesn't happen by accident. It happens when pricing aligns with today's buyer, presentation matches expectations, and the home feels like it belongs in its price point. Now here's where it gets interesting. Across these markets, we're seeing median price ranges from the mid 300s to 600s, depending on location and level of finish, of course. Now what matters more than that number is the behavior behind it. Most homes are still selling between 97 and 99% of their list price, which tells me buyers are still willing to pay, but only when the home earns it. So when clients ask me, is it a good time to sell? My answer is always the same. It's not about timing the market, it's about positioning within it. Because right now the opportunity isn't just in inventory, it's in the gap between the homes that sit and the homes that sell quickly and confidently. And that gap, that's strategy. Because you can't control the market, but you can control the strategy. So if you already own in these higher price points, this is a moment where your home, when positioned correctly, can stand out in a way it couldn't in a more saturated market. And if you're not there yet, but you're watching these areas, this is exactly how you start thinking like an investor. You understanding the timing, watching demand and patterns, and recognizing what drives value at that next level. Because the clients who win long term are the ones who start paying attention before they make their move. So whether you're considering selling now, planning for the next year, or just wanting to understand how your home fits into this market, I'm always here as a resource and a sounding board. Because real estate isn't just about the move you make today, it's about how that move positions you for what's next. I'm Jessica Williams, and I'll keep you informed as the market continues to shift.